Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chain degreaser is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in maintaining your bicycle's peak performance, ensuring smooth gear shifts, extending the lifespan of your drivetrain, and ultimately providing a more enjoyable and efficient riding experience, making a clean chain an absolute non-negotiable for any serious cyclist or daily commuter looking to keep their ride in top condition. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Signature Series Orange Degreaser Spray. This powerful degreaser quickly breaks down tough grease, oil, grime, and dirt. It's perfect for engines, tires, undercarriages, and even your tools, ensuring a deep, professional clean every time. Its professional strength formula effortlessly dissolves stubborn grease and road grime on contact. It restores surfaces with ease, making it ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. You can safely use it as an engine bay cleaner, and for wheels, tires, and undercarriages. It also works wonders on garage tools and shop equipment, delivering effective cleaning wherever tough buildup occurs. This concentrated formula can be diluted for light cleaning or used full strength for heavy-duty jobs. Simply spray it on, scrub if needed, and rinse for fast and effective degreasing results. Developed for detailers and enthusiasts, it offers maximum performance. Shops worldwide trust it for tackling the dirtiest jobs with speed and reliability. Infused with a signature orange scent, it makes tough cleaning more enjoyable. It leaves behind a fresh, clean finish after degreasing engines, wheels, and tools. What we like. This powerful degreaser is designed for heavy-duty cleaning across multiple surfaces. It leaves behind a fresh citrus scent, making tough jobs more pleasant. If you are looking for a versatile cleaner that tackles grime on various parts and leaves a nice smell, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Park Tool CG 2.4 Chaingang Cleaning System. A clean bike chain is essential for optimal performance and a smooth ride. Dirt and grime can significantly reduce its efficiency and lifespan. This innovative system is designed to make chain cleaning quick and effortless. It's a comprehensive solution for maintaining your bike's drivetrain. Its unique design features rotating brushes that scrub every link. Simply fill it with your preferred cleaning solution and attach it to your chain. It effectively removes grease, dirt, and other contaminants. This ensures your chain operates quietly and shifts gears precisely. Regular use of this system helps prevent premature wear on your chain and gears. It's an investment in the longevity and performance of your bicycle. What we like. This product offers a complete cleaning system, providing all the necessary tools for a thorough chain clean. Its integrated design makes the process straightforward and efficient. If you are a beginner or prefer an all-in-one solution for your bike maintenance, this system is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Park Tool CB4 Bio ChainBrite. Keep your bicycle chain sparkling clean with this powerful cleaning fluid. It's specifically designed to tackle grime and dirt, ensuring smooth operation. This cleaner is formulated with bio-friendly ingredients, making it a responsible choice for both your bike and the environment. You can use it with confidence. Not just for chains, it effectively cleans other bicycle components too. Its versatile formula ensures a thorough clean for various parts of your bike. Each bottle contains 16 fluid ounces, providing ample cleaning solution for multiple uses. This generous size ensures you're ready for many cleaning sessions. Regular cleaning with this fluid helps extend the life of your drivetrain and improve shifting performance. It's an essential step for any cyclist. What we like. This cleaning fluid boasts a biodegradable formula, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your bike. It's also safe for all bike components, ensuring no damage during cleaning. If you are an eco-conscious rider or prioritize gentle yet effective cleaning, this fluid is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Finish Line Speed Bike Degreaser. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your bicycle in pristine condition. This powerful degreaser is engineered for peak performance and longevity. It boasts a powerful dry formula that effortlessly cuts through grease and grime. This ensures a thorough clean without any mess or fuss. Designed for versatility, it effectively cleans your bicycle's chains, gears, and even disc brakes. It's the comprehensive care your bike needs. With its turbo spray action, it cleans rapidly, saving you valuable time. You'll be back on the road in no time. This formula evaporates completely, leaving absolutely no residue. Your components will be spotless and ready for lubrication. What we like. Featuring a powerful dry formula, this degreaser cleans rapidly and evaporates completely, leaving no residue behind. It's safe for disc brakes, preventing contamination. If you need a quick drying solution that won't leave any oily film, this turbo spray is your go-to. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. Number 1. BTAS Dry Bike Chain Wax Lube with Ceramic Nanoparticle. This wax-based formula offers superior protection against contaminants. It's specially designed to perform excellently in dry and dusty environments. Its advanced formula significantly reduces friction and energy consumption. This ensures incredibly smooth gear shifts and maximizes your drivetrain's efficiency. This ultra-durable lubricant penetrates deeply into your chain, providing extended protection. You can also use it on derailleurs, shifters, cables, and brake pivots for comprehensive care. It's not only friendly to your bike but also to the environment, being biodegradable. This formula resists moisture and doesn't attract excessive grit or dust, keeping your chain cleaner for longer. Whether you're hitting the road or tackling mountain trails, it's the ideal choice. It provides essential protection for your bike's chain, no matter your riding style. What we like. This unique wax-based lubricant is specifically formulated for dry and dusty conditions, protecting your chain from contaminants. Its ultra-durable nature ensures long-lasting lubrication and reduced friction. If you ride in dry environments and seek extended chain life with minimal dirt attraction, this lube is highly recommended. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.